In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. If you wanna clean up your manager from old passwords, here's how to do it. Don't worry, it will take a few seconds, and I can assure you it will work. Firstly, open Utilities folder to access Passwords app. Then enter your current passcode to continue. And select All at the top left corner. Finally, pick your passwords that are no longer needed and click on each one. You can do that by scrolling down to find your password, using those letters on the side, or clicking on the search bar at the bottom and typing in whatever you need to. I want to delete my password for Facebook, so I have to click on my old one. Hit Edit at the top right corner and scroll all the way down. Finally, we can tap on Delete button at the bottom and confirm the choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. If you deleted any password by mistake, don't worry, I got you. You need to go back, select Deleted over here, and tap on Select at the top right corner. Now you have two options. You can tap on your password you deleted by mistake and hit Recover at the bottom left corner to bring it back. Remember, you only have 30 days since you removed it to do it. Or to get rid of it even from the bin, hit Select again. Tap on your password and this time use this bin at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!